okubeera nti bejja mu bwavu. Kyolabye emabegaawo President abadde
to get money to start helping to help them to utilize the land by using what they want. If they want, there is one who wants watermelon.
Okay.
There is two want to plant coffee
in their town. Thank you so much for watching. Jubilant supporters of the President and the Honorable Right Honorable Prime Minister, they can't help it to express their excitement to see her. And there she goes with her Oktuka Wano Katwetuli Olibuterevo Star TV na UBC. Yes. And the Classic Hotel has been commissioned by His Excellency the President. We are at the reception, the Classic Hotel Classic Kakumiro. Wow. Welcomes His Excellency General Kaguta Museveni. And still the official commissioning goes on. Hotel Classic Kakumiro was officially opened by General Kaguta Museveni. And in here are the staff of the hotel.
Mutere nduru ya President waitu, mutere nduru ya mugonzebwa, mutere nduru ya President Museveni, ni waina masanyarazi wenka.